I throw salute and I don't welcome for football everything. After match, talk how you see them. I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, turn on the notification button, and also like, share, and drop comments for inside this video. Liverpool Kondo and Chelsea Kondo. We get a guy that will be like saying that Ogbonge football fan. Not being club play today, but we hear from him as a neutral how he see this game. As a neutral guy, that how you see the performance on both sides.
The performance, well, the two teams that did not get themselves initially, but as the game on the go on, Chelsea made some kind of changes. Now new boy in the back from Shaka the next, Michael Mudryk, that boy they play ball, Especially when they watch football from different levels. Me, I know they watch only Premier League, and they watch different leagues. Me, I don't watch and play. I don't watch the boy play before. I even the tell some Chelsea fans say this ball I buy better player. So what you do today, and that was something I expect normally. We don't say Premier League today, they technical, but that player will go shine in the long run. Then imagine me like waiting the two of them just say, they just come play, make them play and come on ground. Even Liverpool self, they lose their bites. But the guys are kind of players I go give kudos today. Like that Marco Corella, the boy play ball. But I don't watch and see when he did get off him, the boy play ball. At least he kept Salah silent for the most part of the game. Then Gakpo never really gets in bites well for Liverpool. Normally for PSV, the ball he gets 50 assists when even the PSV said, but so far he never really gets in bites. But whether they don't say Klopp, they play him out of position. Klopp they always play him out of position, and they're not a good player. If you buy player, you have to use the player to its maximum potential. When make you buy him, you get so. Playing the player of today go stand up for middle, tomorrow you go stand up for behind striker. It don't make sense. So I don't blame Gakpo yet. Ziyech tried to, although I get many passes when he crosses when they're very lousy crosses. But at the end of the day, you get one run when he do. Now all people like Messi, they say those things you get. So they get really impressed today. Unlike some other times when they play ball, then Havertz don't lose in bites. Havertz don't lose in bites. I feel say maybe they motivated again. Don't say Chelsea they do well. But even for World Cup, Havertz play ball for Germany. If they watch most German games, Havertz will even score. If not score, he will assist. So even when the season first started, Havertz first score for Chelsea. But now Havertz not really getting himself. So my observation for the match ain't be that. Keita self ball today, not the Keita. Although he been rubbish for Liverpool since, so I'm not gonna lie you, but today in ball. So
what about Mo Salah? What do you think say they happened to Mo Salah this season?
Mo Salah, say since Mane come out, they affect Liverpool. Mo Salah and Mane, they complement each other. You get. If one of them not do, the other person they suffer. These other attackers now when Liverpool don't buy, they never really get that bite to meet up that Mo Salah level. Yes, since Mane come out, no winger, both Gakpo, both Nunes, Diaz don't injure. None of them don't reach Mane level. And you know one thing about football, they say if you don't play with person for a very long time, don't get that synergy, don't understand the. Once the person come out, it affects that team. When Neymar come out back at 2017 season, only Suarez and Messi, they play play Spanish Super Copa against Madrid. Madrid beat them 3-1, 2-0, 5-1 home and away. But Neymar does come out. Because I understand he's not going to do that attack again. The attack going to be shaky. So that's something for football. Liverpool will later get but Mane is irreplaceable. That's the truth. Mane is irreplaceable. In that Liverpool team is irreplaceable. So me now they look and say Mane in the guy. I look and say him and Salah they complement each other. They complement each other. They push each other to the limits. So now Salah they look at.
So guy that make I ask you now. Tomorrow your team, Manchester United, will face Arsenal for Emirates Stadium. As a Man U fan, how you see that game and what you they predict for in terms of the scoreline? Who you think they go win?
The game choke. That game choke. Arsenal they play beautiful football. I don't feel like Arsenal they play beautiful football. Very beautiful football. The way they play ball, you know say Arsenal they play ball. And the two coaches whereby this season so far they do magic. Ten Hag and Arteta, they learn from the best. Ten Hag na Guardiola assistant for Bayern, Arteta na Guardiola assistant for Man City. So they learn from the best. So tomorrow now, who gets sense pass? They go win that match. Even as a Man U fan, I they give Arsenal 51-49. Arsenal to win.
Yeah, your scoreline prediction.
Scoreline Maybe 2-1. Arsenal go win.
2-1 Arsenal.
Arsenal go win.
But you be Man U fan, so you know the confidence.
I'm not that confident in. See, when Arsenal they play ball, first of all these kind of games, now tricky time. Man, you don't first win the first leg 3-1. Arsenal go want take pound of flesh. And you get some kind of players whereby for that Arsenal team, whenever they meet Man U, they turn up. Well, like Granit Xhaka them, they always turn up. They always their shots when they play. They always they get the better of United. So I don't feel just say because I define. If you see me, I'll be very open-minded person. I'm not the day sentimental. If Man U know they do, I will just say Man U know they do it. For that game tomorrow, watching Man U, I don't watch Man U, I don't watch Arsenal. So far, they watch all their matches this season. The way Arsenal, they play, Arsenal plays very cohesive football. They play all kind of football whereby now always Barcelona, then that time they play that kind of ball. See that Odegaard from midfielder, now dead. Odegaard from midfielder, a very beautiful midfielder. They get Bukayo Saka on the wing. Then that Gabriel Martinelli, not be saying Man not go do it. They get free end draw. But my prediction, Arsenal 2, United 1. And then that's Casemiro not going to play again tomorrow. So it will affect us. Yeah.
All right, now, Guy Daffy, thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I time for us to take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.